Last night, my daughter Kayt got cured of the hiccups by being hit by a Clementine. We have several videos where I show how to cure people of hiccups by, like Kayt, a lot of times I can stare right in her eyes and ask her questions right at the time where she's about to hiccup again. And it always works. I actually have a playlist of hiccup videos for you. But last night I was trying my technique to show everyone else how this works, how I can cure Kayt, my daughter, of hiccups. And my other daughter, Kallie, had a Clementine and she chucked it at her, hit her right in the collarbone, and immediately cured Kayt of her hiccups. Never knew the power of a Clementine. Watch this.
I was asking who should pick first. I said me because I'm going to die first.
You don't know that.
You don't know the destiny of your own
I
fate.
should always go first because I'm going to die.
No, you gotta let David try first.
Hello, YouTube Millennials. Kayt has the hiccups,
Yes.
and we're gonna interview.
Mom made these mittens.
So, do you have the hiccups tonight?
I do.
You know, I try to do this all the time with her, and it never works.
You gotta try. You gotta ask
It
me
takes
questions.
eye contact. It's like
I give eye contact.
I mean,
she
you gotta
says-
look through her soul.
She says that Dad does it the best, so I want to watch you.
Yeah, no, I'm videotaping now.
Yeah.
But the eyes have to be on her. Total focus. All of YouTube is watching you. Now, what did you eat that causes these hiccups?
I had some wine
And
and steak and
steak.
butternut squash and potatoes.
What'd you think of the squash? Eye contact.
Delicious. It was delicious.
Eye contact.
Yum.
But like, explain.
But like,
See, you gotta stall so that you gotta time it right before the hiccup, so that her answer comes right at the hiccup. Like I'm waiting for the next one, and the next one's coming right now, isn't it?
no.
YouTube.
Yeah, it
I want you to count how many times they say the word like.
is. Like,
What?
yeah,
I
like.
think they're at like 6.
Okay, and so now the next hiccup is starting to conjure itself up.
No.
Can you explain how it feels on the diaphragm?
It hurts.
Why?
Because it hurts.
But why? That means such a. It made such a deep thud sound. It's like a dead thud. Right on the clavicle.
Are we
She's going into her hysterical laughter. She's going into her hysterical laughter. Your hiccups. It's gonna ruin her makeup.
Your hiccups are gone now. I've cured
Yeah,
you.
you have been
threw that at me.
I've never thrown a cutie at her before.
It helps.
She has no hiccups. You're a genius.
You're hyperventilating, okay?
Yes, I'm fine, Mother.
But she
I'm
doesn't
the
have
cutie
hiccups
cure.
anymore.
I don't. The cure isn't the interview, it's a curing. I'm just throwing a cutie at me.
Yeah, it's a cutie.
Okay. I'm so sorry.
Cutie cure.
So sorry.
Are we playing this thing or not?
Oh, baby.
At least it's not wet.
I've never cured someone from. I've never cured someone from hiccups with a cutie before.
Please take some of
Callie's a
those.
genius.
Lost it.
The sound it made when it hit your clavicle.
It was right here. It was
You
on
need to
my
play it slow motion.
Yeah.
I'll animate the sound. It's
Oh
like,
my goodness.
thump.
Okay.
So
Amanda,
she's cured of her hiccups. It's that easy.
You just throw a cutie at
That's
someone.
one of my best hiccup videos ever.
It's got the trifecta. Hiccups, laughing hysterically, and you
And
know,
a cutie hitting your clavicle.
of course.